Bonjour, bonsoir. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, you're in the right place. This is more volume. We're going to do a couple more races here. This time, these aren't brand new cars. These are cars that you may have seen race in previous tournaments. But these cars are all tied at 3.44 seconds apiece. And we're going to race them like we usually do. We'll have 6 races. And the fastest cars will race for the championship. We'll post those races in about a week. So what you can do is pick out your favorite car. Which one do you think is going to win? Who do you think is the best looking? Which one might have some value if you think any of them do? So with that, we'll send you back to see a picture of each car, give you their weights, what group they belong to. And again, we'll race them all in about a week, post them on this channel. And if you win, we'll give you a shout out. All right, take care everybody.